Let's move, doctor.
Where? Where we are going?
Arey, come on, doctor. I'm saying you.
I'm not going.
I come here
I
to
don't
help
want
you.
to go.
Come on, move. You want to meet Dabu or not? Huh? Tell me. Then let's go.
Okay.
You stop! Where are you going? Wait!
Hey, someone hold him.
Someone catch him!
How come he come out of the room?
I think he's running away.
Hold him. Catch him.
He's going down. Someone catch him!
Catch him! Don't let him
Catch
go.
him.
Catch him! Catch him!
Call someone else also.
Now what kind of chaos here? It's mental hospital or zoo? I just can't understand. Hey, whose patient he is?
There.
Come on, catch them! Catch Dr. Om and the wizard!
Yes,
Quick!
go! Just go!
Quick, catch them! Hey, stop there! Hurry up and catch him! Catch him now!
Are you alright?
Hey, what are you doing, man? Are you insane or what?
Hey!
Crazy person. Move. Come on. Easy.
Hey, what are you doing?
Take it and come on, change. Go fast.
Two patient is escape himself. You must get them, chief. One patient and Dr. Om. They both are mentally disturbed. And who can endanger the public. That's why I'm telling you. You must get them.
Doctor, just look at me and do what I'm doing, okay? Come on. I hereby become a disciple to serve and learn the magic of Dr. Khan, okay? Say after me, okay?
What are you saying?
Hey man, just say after me. I'm ready to help you because you are fit to learn magic. Even I'm also ready. Teleportation, exhaustion, charms, making baby ghosts. These all things. You know, right? And you are the right person for this kind of work, okay? And I know this very well, okay? And so you have to listen to me, okay? You got it? Now do it, okay? Put your hands together.
What about Tao?
Hey, that's nothing at all, man.
No, I want Tao. I
Hey,
want
you
Tao.
listen to me. Hey, man, where are you going?
Dr. Omi. Dr. Omi. He is not here. So where is he now? We have to go and visit each and every patient's home and find him anyhow.
Yes, I'm coming!
Hey, Tao. I miss you and our kid.
Mom!
Are you mad? Oh God! Oh!
Hey,
Leave
Dad,
me! What are you doing?
I love you.
Oh, someone help me!
Ivan!
Oh God, leave!
him.
Oh, help!
I miss you.
Listen to me.
Go, stay back. Go away from me.
Listen.
I-
Hey, you out there. Listen to me.
Hey, stop.
I'm saying stop. Come out.
No, wait, don't! No, don't! God!
Hey, wait.
Stop, don't shoot! Please!
What is this?
Tao.
I am telling you, just stop, don't shoot!
Oh, it hurts.
Hey, obviously it will hurt. Thanks to God, you saved your life. I told you not to go there. Show me. Huh? Oh my God. Hey, this is nothing, man. I know the magic. I'll do the magic and it will be all okay? I'll do the magic, okay?
Where are we?
How would I know, man? You're mad, really. You do anything. You ask so many questions. But listen to me. You do whatever you want to do, but don't try to become me, okay? Otherwise, I will go mad. Who are you and who I am? You were treating crazy people. That's why you also become crazy. I think someone has done black magic on you. Nothing to worry. I know the reason how to solve it, okay? I know everything. And you will be all okay?
Just inform everyone. Catch Dr. Om and Khan when they return. Hold them, then call me. I will treat them myself.
Okay.
Come on, driver. Let's go. When they arrived, please call me. It's okay, go.
All
Let's go.
easy, okay? If you get caught and he will treat you, then it will cost you a lot. Be careful, doctor, be careful. Easy, easy, doctor, easy, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
I think it will take another day to visit all the patients in the file.
By the way, where's Khan's house?
Oh, you're right.
Oh, easy, easy, easy. Okay, come. Hide yourself, hide yourself. Easy, easy. Open slowly, slowly. Huh? Oh my God, what is this? Oh, save yourself, save yourself.
Dr. E, watch out!
Doctor, what you have done? You know all these tricks? Huh? You know how to fly also?
Run fast!
Come on, come on, come on. Oh my
Hey,
God.
come. There they are.
Run,
Stop
run,
them.
run, run, run.
Stop them.
Leave me.
Just
leave
fast.
me, leave me.
Stop them.
Leave
Don't
me.
let them go.
Hurry up.
Grab hold of him.
Hey, you. Leave me.
Hold him. Hold him down. Where's the other one? He went down.
Dr. Omi! Hey,
Hold
Dr.
him.
Omi!
Hey. There he is.
Go
What's
from
going
this
on,
side.
Romeo?
Hurry up.
Let's go.
Catch him, catch
Go,
him.
catch him.
Wait.
Doctor,
He's right there.
please don't run.
Hey, you, doctor.
Hey, where are you running?
Surround him, surround him. Don't allow him to run away.
Dr. Omi, listen!
He's
Catch
going.
him, catch him.
Wait,
He's running
he's
away.
going.
Dr. Omi!
Come on, bro. What
Omi.
are you doing, bro?
Go from there.
Dr.
from that
Omi!
Come with me.
Hey, you. Hey, please leave me, leave me. I have not done
please
anything.
don't run.
Please leave
Oh.
me. I know the magic.
Where are you
Okay,
going?
don't catch me. Hey, listen to me. Hey, listen to me.
Come on.
I have
Hey,
not done
do you know
anything.
where's Dr. Omi? Huh?
Hey, you.
Can you tell me?
Hey, I don't know where's Dr. Om. I know magic. I do magic. Hey, I do magic. Hey, listen to me. I'm not lying. Hey, leave me, please.